Welcome to Japandi-sensei, your go-to spot for interior design inspiration. If you love unique styles that bring serenity and edge together, you're in for a treat today. In this video, we're diving deep into the art of blending Japandi with industrial interior design, two of the most captivating trends that have taken the design world by storm. Japandi's peaceful minimalism combined with the boldness of industrial design creates a harmonious space that's not only stylish, but functional too. So, grab your favorite cup of tea, sit back, and let's explore how to achieve the perfect Japandi-industrial fusion in your home. Let's start by breaking down the Japandi style. Japandi is a design movement that combines the serene simplicity of Japanese interiors with the warm, inviting touches of Scandinavian design. It emphasizes clean lines, neutral colors, and natural materials like wood and stone, creating a calming and almost zen-like atmosphere. Think of spaces that are thoughtfully curated. Every piece serves a purpose and contributes to the overall tranquility. However, Japandi goes beyond just aesthetic simplicity. It's about creating spaces that feel balanced and timeless, focusing on functional beauty. The core of Japandi is wabi-sabi, the Japanese philosophy of finding beauty in imperfection and embracing natural, unrefined elements. The Scandinavian influence brings in the cozy, high elements with soft textures and a focus on functionality that's both efficient and visually appealing. Now, how does industrial design fit into all this? Industrial design, on the other hand, is all about raw, unfinished beauty. It draws inspiration from factories and warehouses, featuring exposed brick walls, metal beams, concrete floors, and open spaces. It's a style that embraces ruggedness, highlighting the beauty of the materials as they are unpolished and raw. Industrial design is bold and a bit rebellious, with a focus on large, dramatic furniture, vintage elements, and oversized light fixtures. But don't be fooled, just because industrial design has a rugged edge doesn't mean it's chaotic or overwhelming. In fact, when paired with the gentle, mindful qualities of Japandi, you get a unique fusion that's both striking and balanced. Let's take a closer look at how to merge these two powerful design elements in your own space. The secret to combining Japandi and industrial design lies in creating balance. While Japandi's minimalist elegance focuses on simplicity and calm, industrial design's boldness emphasizes the raw beauty of materials and structure. When paired together, it creates a stunning juxtaposition that enhances the best features of each style. A well-thought-out color palette is one of the most important steps in blending Japandi and industrial styles. Japandi design typically revolves around soft neutrals like white, beige, gray, and muted pastels, along with deeper shades of black or navy to ground the space. Industrial design, on the other hand, often incorporates dark hues like charcoal gray, black, and rusty tones. So, to marry these two, you'll want to create a harmonious balance of both light and dark shades. Consider a neutral base like light gray or beige walls, which evoke the calm and serenity typical of Japandi. Then, you can introduce deeper tones, such as dark wood accents or matte black furniture, which add that industrial edge without overwhelming the peaceful ambience. One of the best parts about this fusion is that both styles focus on earthy tones, wood, stone, and metals that naturally complement each other. The warmth of wood paired with the cool tones of metal and concrete can create an inviting yet sophisticated atmosphere. Think of a wooden dining table set against a backdrop of exposed brick walls or a black steel frame around a light, airy Japandi-inspired sofa. Next up, furniture. This is where you'll really start to see the magic of Japandi-industrial fusion come together. For Japandi, think simple, clean lines. Furniture should have a functional design with minimal embellishments, often made from wood, bamboo, or other natural materials. Scandinavian-style pieces, such as light wood tables, sleek chairs, and soft, plush sofas are perfect for creating a peaceful vibe. Incorporating industrial pieces is where you can add an edge without overwhelming the space. Look for furniture that features metal elements, perhaps a metal frame chair or a rustic, reclaimed wood dining table with exposed bolts. These pieces add character and a touch of industrial flair while maintaining the functionality and beauty of Japandi design. When selecting furniture, opt for open shelving or modular storage to maintain that clean, spacious feel. It's important to avoid overcrowding your space with too many bold industrial elements. Remember, Japandi is all about creating a sense of calm, so each industrial piece should complement rather than compete with the minimalism around it. Materials and textures are crucial in any design, but especially so in Japandi industrial spaces. For Japandi, you'll want to focus on materials that highlight nature and craftsmanship. Think light wood, stone, bamboo, and cotton. These natural materials provide warmth and a grounded feel that's at the core of Japandi design. To introduce an industrial edge, look for raw metals such as steel, iron, or brass, which add a sense of structure and strength. For example, you can have a minimalist wooden coffee table with a steel frame or a set of leather chairs with exposed metal legs. The juxtaposition of soft, natural materials and raw, industrial elements will create a visually exciting and tactile space. Textures also play a big role in this fusion. Japandi interiors often feature soft fabrics like linen cushions or wool throws, adding warmth and coziness. These can pair beautifully with the hard, sleek surfaces of industrial elements. Imagine plush, comfy throws draped over a steel-framed lounge chair or an inviting wool rug on a polished concrete floor. The balance of hard and soft textures is key to making this blend work. Let's talk about lighting, an often overlooked but crucial component of any interior design. In Japandi style, lighting plays an essential role in creating that calm, serene environment. Natural light is a key element in Japandi spaces, so think about maximizing daylight with large windows, sheer curtains, and open spaces. This will help the room feel airy and spacious. For the industrial twist, you'll want to introduce lighting that has a bit of an edge. Industrial light fixtures like exposed bulb chandeliers, large pendant lights, or vintage-style Edison bulbs will complement the industrial feel while adding warmth to the space. The key is to maintain the balance between soft, ambient light and bold, statement-making industrial pieces. Consider using dimmable lights to create mood settings, allowing your space to feel warm and inviting in the evening while still maintaining a clean, calming atmosphere during the day. Finally, let's talk about accessorizing. When it comes to Japandi design, less is more. The idea is to select a few key pieces that hold meaning or serve a purpose in the space. For example, a simple ceramic vase with a few delicate flowers or a wooden bowl on the coffee table can add that Japandi touch. You don't want to clutter the space, but a few intentional, meaningful items can bring the space together. For the industrial elements, accessories like metal sculptures, vintage clocks, or reclaimed wood shelves are great choices. These pieces can help balance the softer, more organic elements of Japandi with a rugged, industrial vibe. Don't forget to bring in plants. Greenery is a perfect accessory for any design, but especially in Japandi industrial spaces. A few large indoor plants like a fiddle leaf fig or a snake plant will add life, color, and texture to the room while complementing both the natural and industrial elements. So there you have it, a guide to achieving the perfect blend of Japandi and industrial interior design. By carefully choosing colors, materials, furniture, lighting, and accessories, you can create a space that feels both grounded and exciting. Whether you're designing a living room, bedroom, or an entire home, the Japandi industrial fusion is all about balance, combining the peaceful minimalism of Japandi with the bold, raw beauty of industrial design. Thank you for joining us today on Japandi Sensei. We hope you're feeling inspired to transform your own space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design tips, and let us know in the comments how you plan to incorporate Japandi industrial style into your home.